A group claiming that the Earth is flat was left stunned after traveling to Antarctica for their final experiment. Jeran Campanella, one of the leading theorists advocating for the flat Earth model, along with his team, traveled approximately 14,000 kilometers from California to Antarctica, spending $37,000 to test his theory, only to completely change his belief system. Before embarking on the journey, Campanella was convinced that Antarctica was a wall of ice where the sun rose and set daily. Campanella, who is also a well-known YouTuber, traveled to Union Glacier Camp, a private facility just 1,138 kilometers from the South Pole, to test his theory. He was accompanied by Colorado priest Will Duffy and a few other flat Earth believers during the trip, which they dubbed the final experiment. During their observations there, Campanella saw something completely contrary to his expectations. The sun never set. In Antarctica, between November and February, when it's summer in the southern hemisphere, the sun doesn't set. This phenomenon is called polar day. During this period, the sun remains continuously above the horizon in Antarctica, shining brightly 24 hours a day. This occurs due to the tilt of the Earth's axis. During the time when it's winter in the northern hemisphere and summer in the southern hemisphere, the North Pole remains in complete darkness, while the South Pole stays illuminated. Stunned by what he witnessed, Campanella said, "Okay, guys, sometimes in life you can be wrong. I didn't think there would be 24-hour sunlight. In fact, I was sure of it. I know I'll be called a fraud just for saying this, but you know what? If being honest means being called a fraud, so be it," the YouTuber continued. "Honestly, I didn't believe there was 24-hour sunlight. Honestly, I now believe there is. That's it."